Hey everyone, welcome back to the Outdoor Food Project. Today, we're cooking up a delicious and light dish, Sesame-Crusted Tuna Steaks with a Yuzu Sesame Dressing and microgreen salad. Perfect for any occasion, and it's super simple to prepare. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. For the yuzu dressing, 1 lime, 2 tablespoons yuzu juice, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of cilantro leaves, and salt and pepper. For the tuna, 2 1-inch tuna steaks, half a cup of white sesame seeds, half a cup of black sesame seeds, 2 egg whites, salt and pepper, and 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. For the salad, 1 package of mixed microgreens. First, we'll start prepping for our yuzu dressing. Start by finely chopping fresh cilantro leaves. In a bowl, we'll dump 2 tablespoons of yuzu juice. Next, zest 1 lime, and that goes into the bowl. Now we'll squeeze the juice of that 1 lime. Now slowly mix in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now season it with a little salt and pepper. Finally, throw in 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro and give it a little stir. Now, we're going to separate 2 eggs. We need to whisk our egg whites to stiff peaks. This will help the sesame seeds stick to the tuna. There, we've finally done it. That was a workout. Now we'll start prepping our tuna steaks by patting them dry. The key to this dish is a perfect sesame crust. First, let's season them on all sides with salt and pepper. Next, we're going to brush a thin layer of egg whites on all sides of the tuna steaks. This will help the sesame seeds to stick. In a plate or tray, dump out your sesame seeds. Now it's time to coat the tuna with the sesame seeds. Roll the tuna in the seeds, making sure all sides are evenly covered. Use your hands to gently press the seeds onto the tuna for an even crust. Let's heat 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil in a pan over medium heat. Be careful, the oil shouldn't be too hot or it'll burn the sesame seeds before cooking the fish. Tilt the pan slightly so the tuna cooks evenly. Let each side cook just long enough to sear the sesame seeds without overcooking the fish. We want that beautiful pink center. Now flip the steak and do the same with the other side. I cooked them for about 1 minute and 30 seconds on each side. When you're done, remove from heat and let it rest for 5 minutes. Now, let's plate. Cut each tuna steak into about 5 pieces. Place the tuna slices in the center of the plate. Now, add some of those microgreens around the plate. These microgreens add a nice crisp and freshness to the plate. And finally, drizzle some of the yuzu dressing around and over the tuna. Look at that! Sesame-crusted tuna with yuzu sesame dressing and microgreen salad. Light, fresh, and perfect for any occasion. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next outdoor cooking adventure. I'll see you next time.
super yummy. Really, really good.
Sesame seeds fit really well with the tuna. The tuna is very sour. Good.